Today, I will be speaking about augmented reality. Augmented reality. What is augmented reality? It is an interactive experience of a real world environment where the objects reside in the real world are enhanced by computer generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities, including visual, auditory, haptic, somatosensory, and olfactory. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is when someone talks about AR, they are referring to technology that overlays information and virtual objects on real world scenes in real time. It uses the existing environment and adds information to it to make a new artificial environment. How augmented reality works. Augmented reality is a blending of interactive digital elements like dazzling visual overlays, buzzy haptic feedback, or other sensory projections into our real world environments. If you experience the hubbub of Pokemon Go, you witness augmented reality in action. This mobile game allowed users to view the world around them through their smartphone cameras while projecting game items including on-screen icons, score, and ever-exclusive Pokemon creatures as overlays that made them seem as if those items were right placed in front of you in your real-life neighborhood. The game's design was so immersive that it sent millions of kids and adults alike walking through the through their real world backyards in search of virtual prizes. Very funny. It is really very funny. But it is not good for your eyes nor your brain. 10 uses of AI. Medical training, retail, repair and maintenance, design and modeling, business logistics, tourism industry, classroom education, field service, entertainment, public safety. Medical training, from operating MRI equipment to performing complex surgeries. AR tech holds the potential to boost the depth and effectiveness of medical training in many areas. Students at Cleveland Clinic, at Case Western Reserve University, for example, will now learn anatomy utilizing an AR headset, allowing them to delve into the body, the human body, in an interactive 3D format. For practice surgeries, heart surgeries, for example, which contain high risks, but practice makes perfect. Retail. In today's physical retail environment, shoppers are using their smartphones more than ever to compare prices or look up additional information on products they're browsing. World famous motorcycle brand Harley Davidson is one great instance of a brand making the most of its trend. By, devel- by developing an AR app that shoppers can use in stores, users can view a motorcycle they might be interesting in buying in the showroom and customize it using the app to see which colors and features they may like. Boom, boom. Repair and maintenance. One of the biggest industrial use cases of AR is for repairing and maintenance of complex equipment, whether it's a car motor or an MRI machine. Repair and maintenance staff are beginning to use AR headsets and glasses while they perform their jobs to provide them with useful information on the spot, suggested potential fixes, and point out potential trouble areas. This use case will only continue to get stronger as machine to machine IoT technology grows. A thing that we learned in the last course a week ago and can feed information directly to AR headsets. Design and modeling, from interior design to agriculture and construction. AR is helping professionals visualize their final products during the creative process. Use of headsets enables architects, engineers, and design professionals step directly into their buildings and spaces to see how the designs might look and even make virtual on spot changes. Urban planners can even model how entire city layouts might look using AR headset visualization. Any design or modeling jobs that involve spatial relationships are perfect use case for AI tech. Business logistics. AR presents a variety of opportunities to increase efficiency and cost savings across many areas of business logistics. This includes transportation, warehousing, and route optimization. Shipping companies like DHL has already implemented smart AR glasses into some of its warehouses, where lens is displayed to workers the shortest route within a warehouse to locate and pick up a certain item that needs to be shipping, providing workers with more efficient ways to go about their jobs is one of the best ROI uses in today's business environment. Business. Tourism industry. Technology has gone a long way towards advancing the tourism industry in recent years, from review sites like TripAdvisor to informative website like Lonely Planet. But AR presents a huge opportunity for travel brands and agents to give potentially tourists an even more immersive experience before they travel. Imagine taking a virtual walkabout Australia before on AR glasses before booking a ticket to Sydney, or legislatively strolling around Paris to see what museums or cafes you might like to visit. AR promises to make selling trips, travel, and vacations a whole lot easier in the future. Future is a good word. While technology like tablets have become widespread in many schools and classrooms, teachers and educators are now ramping up students' learning experience with AR, like you see in my background. The ORSMA app, for example, is already being used in classrooms so that many students can view their classes via a smartphone or tablet for a more rich learning environment. Students learn about astronomy, might see a full map of the solar system, or those in a music class might be able to see musical notes in real time as they learn to play an instrument. And looking there and playing it here. So that's what it is all about. Field service. Whether it's something as small as an air conditioner or as large as a wind turbine. Everyday field service technicians get dispatched to repair a piece of mission critical equipment that needs to get up and running as soon as possible. Today, these technicians can arrive on site with AR glasses or headsets and view whatever they're repairing to more quickly diagnose and fix the problem. That's awesome. And instead of having to thumb through a repair manual, technicians can go about the business hand free to get in and out faster than ever. Like if you are looking at the object which you are going to fix, some words are on the side and you can read instead of going through a manual and flipping the pages and looking for whatever you want. Entertainment properties. In entertainment industry, it's all about building a strong relationship with your branded characters and the audience. Properties like Harry Potter are immensely successful because readers of the book and watchers of the movies feel like they know the characters and are hungry for additional content. Entertainment brands are now seeing AR as an as a great marketing opportunity to build deeper bonds between their characters and audience. As a matter of fact, the makers of AR sensation Pokemon Go are soon planning to release a Harry Potter themed AR game that fans can interact within a day in and day out. Going into the Harry Potter world with a wand, I would prefer an Elder Wand, the one with Dumbledore. Public safety. In the event of an emergency today, people will immediately reach for their smartphone to find out what's going on and where to go and whether their loved ones are safe. Moreover, first responders arrive on the scene of a fire or earthquake, trying to figure out who needs help and the best way to get them to safety. AI is showing promise in solving both pieces of the public safety puzzle. First responder, First responders wearing AR glasses can be alerted to danger areas and show in real time individuals that need assistance, while enabling to still be aware of their surroundings for those in need. Geolo- Geolocation enables AR can show them directions and the best route to safe zones and areas with firefighters or medics. Thinking. Why innovative examples of augmented reality in action? Emotional, the emotional connections people make with brands through sight, sound, and motion are undeniable. We've seen it with television and digital video. But as technology continues to evolve, customer experiences are moving away from just what people see to immersing them in the brand experience itself. One technology that's truly shaking up the landscape is augmented reality. Augmented reality, which superimposes an image into a user's view of the real world and enhances it with sound, touch, and even smell. Indeed, AR is blurring the lines of reality. Some object in front of you. Of course, as consumers become more receptive to AR experiences, organizations too are trying to figure out appropriate use cases. The promise: get a user into an immersive AR environment that ignites multiple human senses and receive an unpresentable level of engagement. While AR is still in its early days, there are 5 organizations we believe demonstrate how AR will one day change the world. Pepsi Max. PepsiCo recently pranked commuting Londoners with the AR-enabled bus stop display. Travelers were shown a prowling tiger, a meteor crashing, and an alien tentacle grabbing people off the street. Oh no, my alien just came so that you could see my photo. That is an alien hack. A mere description doesn't do the program justice. Yeah. Of course. US Army. The United States Army is giving soldiers improved situation awareness with the use of AR technology, the tech, called Tactical Augmented Reality, TAR, is essentially an eyepiece that helps soldiers precisely locate their positions as well as the locations of others, both friend and foe. Friend and enemy or foe. So it's the same. Acura. This month, Acura live streamed an AR race featuring its 2018 TLX sedan from behind the wheel of Acura's newest model. Four influencers competed in the What a Race. What a Race. It's a title. AR experience for the fastest overall time during 3-lap individual runs. Disney. Back in 2015, Disney Research developed technology that makes coloring book characters 3D as they are being colored. The reason we're including this older example in our roundup because it is such a simple application but shows the potential for AR to become a staple in everyday life. L'Oreal. L'Oreal partnered with Perfect Corp to integrate brand's makeup collections into the YouCam makeup app, a move that is challenging the way consumers have traditionally discovered, tried, and bought beauty products. Yes. Studies show that the ability to test is vital to today's beauty shopper, especially for the millennial generation, this generation, which is obsessed with contouring, strobing, and color correcting. The partnership between L'Oreal and Perfect Corp places iPads at beauty counters, but also allows consumers to try on makeup conveniently from home or while on the go. Currently, the app hosts 64 virtual beauty looks for fans in the US, India, Mexico, and Russia. Each look incorporates a collection of L'Oreal's Paris products that users can try on and purchase through the app. The app. The app. Delivering a unique red carpet beauty experience using AR technology. And thank you. We have ended the course. Stay tuned for more courses.